Okay. Happy Father's Day, everyone. Happy Father's Day. Going back to what I said previous in my live Facebook about Father's Day dinner. I showed you guys the 3-pound tomahawk steak, which is here, and I had let this sit out I let this sit out for an hour to get room temperature. You don't have to do this. You don't have to. I just wanted to do this for me because I like it. So you don't have to get a steak this size. You can get a regular. You can get a I want to say regular. You can get a New York strip and have them cut it to whatever weight you want. Because this is going to take at least half hour to 45 minutes to cook. And I'm going to bring this up to about 125, 130 for medium rare. And again, these are all my ingredients. I'm going to grill this corn. I'm going to, asparagus, I'm going to cut in half. I have my asparagus. Brussels sprouts, asparagus, potatoes, my favorite mini peppers, and some fancy carrots here. And also I have some lobster tails that I got this morning. They were on sale. They were like $11. So they were on sale. So I got those this morning. So for the tomahawk steak, again, I had the butcher cut this for me Friday. I ordered it Monday, and he said he had it for me Friday. So he cut it for me, and it's like 3.5 pounds of tomahawk steak. So what I'm going to do, because it's going to take a while, I'm going to start this, and then we're going to come back, and then we're going to finish our veggies with it. And also, I made a pound cake, and I started that earlier. I should have, just getting ahead of myself, I should have started that along with this, because that takes an hour and a half. Actually, that's almost done, so that's in the oven baking now. So it's a lemon lime pound cake. We're also going to have with some whipped cream and some strawberries with that, and that's for Father's Day. So if you want to do this for next Father's Day, it'd be great. I can help you guys out. We can work on this together, because I'll do it again for next Father's Day. Again, this is my first time cooking this tomahawk steak, and I'm pretty excited. I've roasted a whole pig before, and my next video I want to do roast a whole lamb. So that's going to take about 8 hours to do, but that's my goal this summer. So let me get started. Now outside, I have my grill started, and let me show you guys that. I have my, this is a temperature gauge. Let me show you, and this also is a temperature. This one is a probe and a scan. So if you want to scan and see how hot your oven is, you would hit that red button. If you want to probe whatever meat you're cooking, it'll tell you the temperature of that. So I got all these little neat gadgets, on the way, throughout my career. So, and this is the probe for the steak, chicken, turkey. So this is pretty cool too. You can carry around this in my pocket when I'm at work. And this is, again, my temperature gauge. This is to tell me the surface. If I'm using a flat top, I just point. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. I point it and it tells me the temperature in here. So let me show you how this works. Now I have my grill started already, and I wanted to get to, now this is showing me about 900, which is fine, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the steak on this side, like 5 minutes on each side, and then I'm going to finish it on that side and let it just roast. Alright, so we're going to get started on that. I'm going to show you guys the steps on that. Close this up. Alright, so I'm going to start on this with my gloves. Anybody on? Hello.
Hey Ross, Christine, Pam, Greg.
So So what I have here, I have some olive oil. I'm gonna brush a little bit of olive oil. Not too much olive oil. Sorry, let me turn this down. Some. I was in there early with the music blasting, so that helps motivate me. Anyway, so I have some olive oil. I'm not gonna put too much olive oil because I don't want it to flame up. And I have some kosher salt and cracked black pepper. So I'm using the olive oil so the pepper and the salt stick to it. And I'm just gonna do it all the way around.
Hey, remember I said Happy Father's Day.
Thank you guys. And again, you don't have to get anything this large. It'd be cool if you did. But no, I just like, this is just my thing. And I enjoy this. So, and this will last us for a little bit. Trust me, I ain't gonna go to waste. So I'm gonna put my salt on. Don't worry about the salt, because that's gonna pretty much cook off. So I'm hit it with my pepper. I want this to be a little coarser. So again, we're gonna start this. Just show you guys how we started, and then we're going to come back. Because I don't think Facebook is going to allow me to be on here for an hour. So, alright, so we got that started. And with these lobster tails, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut these in half, because these are not going to take long either. I'm going to cut them in half, and then, and I'll show you guys that when we come back. And I'm going to hit it with some cilantro and some cilantro butter. In fact, I got to take the butter out of the refrigerator so it can soften up, and I can put it on there. All right, and so let's get started on this. And put this away. So, let me get my tongue.
Hi, Chef Stelky. Hi, Sherman.
Now here I got this thing red hot. You don't have to come out because it's hot. And put that like that. Let me put this away. Oh, sorry.
Time to say Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, everybody. Now, if you don't want your the bone to get burnt, you can wrap that in foil. So I'm gonna let it sit on there for
Hey, Tanya.
5 minutes. Hey, Tanya. So, like I said, this thing's up to like 900 degrees, so it ain't gonna be that long. See, it's already. That. A nice sear on there. Let that go. While that's going, let me make sure I'm okay. That looks good. Check this out, guys. Yep. Any questions? How many do I have today?
5.
Okay. 5 is better than none. I'm going to flip this bad boy. Check that out. See that? That's what makes me happy. That excites me. Chefs know. So, once this side sears off, I'm going to move it on this side. I'm going to put the lid on and then let it finish cooking.
Roz said, how long do you have to cook it?
This is going to cook for about, let's say about 30 minutes. Yeah, about 30 minutes. And then, like I said, we're going to come back because I know Facebook's not going to allow me to be on that long. So I'm going to move this over. Put this lid on. Get back. Now, move this on. Let's close the door so we can slide in. So these are my little kitchen gadgets that I have. Let me show you my other little Father's Day gift that I got today. Got a butcher block. And Kathy was saying, well, are you going to have it cut? Let me just show you how to look it up. She's like, oh, you can have this cut? I'm like, absolutely not. I'm going to stain this. Not stain it, but I'm going to put food grain stain on here. And like for Thanksgiving, I can put like the turkey here, the stuffing here. Just take the whole turkey, put it here, take the stuffing out of the pot, put it here, and the greens and veggies and whatever, and just make it real nice and just go and get what you want. So I am not going to cut this. I'm going to stain this. It's a little heavy, but that's fine. It'll slide right between my refrigerator. I may try to get a kind of special bag for it so I can slide it in there and zip it up and keep it. But this is just fantastic. I can do a lot with this. I can do a cheese board, meats. It's called charcuterie. So I can do a cheese board, charcuterie, which is like fancy name for sliced meats, fruit, and just all. I mean, just like all kinds of things I can do with this. But she was like, "Well, you can get 2 boards." Absolutely not. I'm not cutting this. So this is my Father's Day gift, and some people like, "Is that?" Some people will be. I'm just easy. So little stuff like this excites me. So I don't need all that old. I don't want to say fancy stuff, but this kind of stuff excites me. So I can just do so much with this. And so that's it. I got a couple shirts and that's good. Got some cards, so it's good. But this right here, this is awesome. So I'm going to come back. It's going to be about another maybe 30 minutes. If you guys want to tune back in, I'm gonna roast these off when we come back. So these aren't going to take long. What I'm going to do with the potatoes, because they may take a little long. I'm going to steam these a little bit to get them started. Excuse me. Along with the Brussels sprouts, I'm going to cut the bottoms off and split them in half, and I'll show you guys that. And my asparagus, I already cut peppers, and I'm going to grill my corn. The lime and the lemon is for my for the pound cake when it comes out. So, and this is just for show. I made put together for Father's Day. Next time Father's Day come around, I just put together a little beer bar. For this, I turned the labels around because I'm not getting paid for that. So that's it. So getting you guys prepared for next Father's Day, or your dad's birthday, or whatever. So or your mom's birthday. So we're gonna come back, guys, and I hope you come back with me, and we'll get this thing rocking. Love you guys. See you in about 30 minutes. Peace.